Finally here, my DJI Mavic 2 Pro with the Fly More kit. So here's the Mavic 2 Pro, and inside this box is the Fly More kit. And let's see what you get in the Fly More kit. So you get a travel bag, you get a car adapter, you get a power bank, 2 additional batteries, and additional propellers, which I've never broken a propeller, with the amazing, intelligent flight modes. I don't ever see breaking one. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit. So there's obviously opening the drone box first. You got the drone, you got power adapters. You gotta unfold it. There's way less tape than on the Mavic Air. I was happy about that. Manuals, got the little power, the adapters for the remote. Now putting on the propellers was a tricky task, but I got it figured out. So I got the propellers on. They basically go on only one way. And I don't know about you, but I don't like reading instructions, so I figured it out. It flew well. Alright, so now unboxing the Fly More kit. And I have to be honest, I'm guilty. I bought this from Best Buy. I should have bought it from Amazon. I will show you why. So you get 2 batteries. Oh, the power bank is pretty cool. So it clips close and it snaps to come open. And you use the power adapter that came with the Mavic to plug into the bottom of the power strip to plug in up to 4 batteries. Now all the Fly More kits come with the 1 battery with the drone and 2 additional batteries in the Fly More kit. So I guess they can always sell you 1 more battery. I don't know why you'd ever need it because they charge up so fast, as long as you brought a charger. So I'm going to plug them in, get them charged up. Maybe next time I'll do this on a table. I don't know, I just thought it looked alright doing it on here. However, I got most everything in the corner of this video. So thankfully there wasn't too much tape on the remote. And the remote has the little pegs to control it, nicely hidden in, just like the Mavic Air. And it came with about 65% battery. But you got to get the right connector, because they automatically put an iPhone connector connected to it. So I got to take that out, and I use a Note 9, so I had to put the USB-C connector with it. Obviously I took the battery out for the drone, had to charge that one too. I wanted to figure out where to plug it in, so right there is the USB-C. So I've used that for plugging into the computer if I don't want to take out the micro USB card. However, I haven't put the micro USB card in this drone yet. I did take it out of my Mavic Air, and I have a 64 gigabyte micro USB. I'm hoping that's enough. I noticed the Fly More kit on the Amazon website sells a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. So the micro SD slot's actually on the opposite side of the USB-C connector opening. So you plug it in like so. The magic of video editing. You don't get to see where I dropped my SD card. At least I didn't drop the drone. So now that that's in there, And I'll tell you, the other thing is it took a good 45 minutes to update the software on the drone, the remote. So whenever you're ready to fly, you better start it off in the house so you're connected to Wi-Fi to download all the updates and update your drone. So you don't have to fly it in the house, but I would recommend starting it in the house. At least just turning it on. You don't have to fly it. You can turn it on and connect to it and play around with the camera. But this way you can update the software. So here's where I'm changing the cable. So that is the same style cable that's in the Mavic Air. In terms of it's a micro USB connected to whatever's connecting to your phone, which in my case is a USB-C. Now it comes with an adapter, as you see I just plugged in, because the cable that comes with it is a USB-C, which that's what connects to the drone. However, to charge the remote, you need the micro USB, so you can use the same cable and then you plug it into the power adapter. Not the power bank where the batteries are charging, but the one just to the right of that they're all plugged into. So now that I got the batteries charging, the remote charging, now inside the Fly More kit you got this little adapter that allows you to plug in one of the batteries to make it a USB power bank. So I guess you could charge your phone. I don't know if you need that. If you got a Note 9 like me, you should never need that. Or that new Note Galaxy S10. Power for days. Now, in the Fly More kit, you get this travel bag. Unfortunately, I don't like the way this travel bag is set up. I mean, if you look at it, the drone looks squished in there. So you obviously have to put one of the batteries on the drone, and there's a spot to put two other batteries, but not a whole lot more. You can. So what I've found is I can slide the remote and two batteries in there with the drone, but you don't. You're not able to carry the power adapter unless you carry it on the side. If you carry it on the side, then you risk possibly damaging something inside the drone. So I guess DJI made this for the drone, so maybe it should be safe. I don't trust it. I like what's on Amazon and their Fly More kit. The thing about it is, what I spent after tax, the savings through Best Buy, I could have got it without tax on Amazon and got more stuff with it. So I'm including the link so you can check that out. But you see, I just don't understand. I actually use this until I have to order a separate one. But everything fits in there except for the power strip. So that's a bit annoying because that's not going to fit in there. The power strip's just not going to fit in there, along with the batteries and the remote. So now I'm going to show you a case for it. Not suggesting you to buy the case, but just showing you an example of the case that comes with the Fly More kit through Amazon, and why I think that is so much better value. Is you get additional items along with the the case, but the case just has more sponginess to it. So there's the case. As you can see, you get the batteries, the power strip. You get actually 4 batteries if you include the one that plugs into the drone. power strip, you got the remote, you got everything can carry in this waterproof case. I don't know why it needs to be waterproof, but oh well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Check out the link in my description for the Amazon link where you get everything and more. Please like, share, subscribe. Appreciate it. Finally here, my DJI Mavic 2 Pro with the Fly More kit. So here's the Mavic 2 Pro.